How to add collaboration on Instagram after posting. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right. Now you have to simply scroll through your post and open a particular post where you want to add collaborators on. After that, tap on three dots at top right corner of your screen. Choose Edit icon. Tap on Add Collaborators at top of the screen. Now tap Invite Collaborators and search for the user. And now tap on that particular user. If they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as authors of the post. So you can tap tick mark at top right corner of the screen. And now again tap the tick mark at top right corner of your screen. So in this way you can easily add collaborator on Instagram after posting once they have accepted your invitation. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.